It's Stitchmas Day 11, and I woke up to -11-degree weather. How about the timing on that one? Let's get into it. Here we are, day 11. I can't believe tomorrow is day 12 and we're going to be all finished. Let's see what day 11 is going to bring. I was going to say, it feels like there's something else in there. Doesn't quite want to come out though. Oh, I knew I felt 2 lumps. Here we go. Alright, so we got some tape here. Oh, that's cute. The handmade. Oops. Alright. I like the handmade tape. These are neat. These are definitely things you could use at Christmas time, or you could even use different holidays, birthdays. Those are cute. I'm going to set that aside. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Oh, let me turn it this way. Oh, they're like little cards. Let's see. Oh, and they're blank on the inside, so you could use those for any occasion. Those are too cute. The yarn balls with the crochet hook. Oh goodness, those are cute. Let's set those aside and stay warm and cozy. And that is the little, oh, it's like the little stitch marker we got, thermos. And these are blank on the inside. I love that they're blank on the inside. You could use them for anything. Oh, look at all these stickers. You could use those to decorate the inside of the card or seal up the envelopes. And they even put envelopes. That was very nice. It looks like, I'm going to open this up because I'm curious if there's like 1 sheet of stickers or 2 sheets of stickers. Okay, it looks like it's a single sheet of stickers. Still very cool. Very cute. Try to get the glare off of that there. Handcrafted, made with love, from the heart, handmade for you. Very, very cute. These are something I know that if I sent something to my parents or my grandma or any of my other family members and I included one of these, I bet they would love it. And it puts a special touch on a gift you might send. Well, let's jump into what we have for today for our ultimate crochet bag. All right, we're going to keep it short and sweet because day 11, -11, it's too much of a coincidence. To our bag today, we are adding a hook. Now, I think that it's kind of nice to have something like this because you can put it on the edge of a table. If you're crocheting in public, like let's say you're at the park, this could go on the park bench next to you. This could hold your crochet bag in a lot of different ways and keeps it up off the ground so you're not getting pet hair or sand or dirt or anything on it. So this is something, it's not a necessity, but it's kind of a nice thing to have if you're somebody who crochets out in public a lot. Anyways, tomorrow is our last day, day 12 for Stitchmas. I will see you then. Take care.